Hey video family, it's Tish. I just wanted to add on, but I don't think I can. So whatever. Can you see that? Joyce Meyer, The Power of Words. I was just reading this, and she has one of her points says we're interested in progress, not perfection. That's my phone. It's good to have goals and to not be satisfied, but don't beat yourself up. Don't beat yourself up if you're not perfect. The question is, am I making progress? So if you have a goal, maybe you miss your goal, but don't beat yourself up. Don't, even if you have a bad day, hold on. Okay, sorry about that. Even if you have a bad day, like the other day I had some Fritos, corn chips. I don't know if you can see that box of chips up there, but that's for my kids' lunch, but of course, But anyway, I had two little bags, and they're not like the 99-cent bag. They're the little actual proper size bag. Two of those with some cheese, melted cheese, and some salsa. And of course that was not in my diet, but I just ate it. I accepted that I ate it and moved on, So don't, just because you have one bad day or even maybe one bad thing per day, don't give up. Just because you have something fattening for breakfast doesn't mean you have to just blow lunch and dinner too. But even if you do, maybe you all of a sudden something stressful happens and you revert back to old habits, as I did. But you just go on. If God can give us new mercy every day, we should be able to give ourselves new mercy every day, right? Okay? So keep on going. Just keep that fight up, because it is a fight. All right? Bless and be blessed. See you in the next video.